if it's coming out of here. We're out of here somewhere. Let's see if we open this up, what happens. No, I don't think it's coming out of there. See any smoke coming out anywhere else? Anything out there? You know, they just got done, the dealership just got done doing the transmission mounts and all that good stuff. Thing is, it's just hard to get under here. And we're looking for a leak on this thing. Come on this side. Oh, look, we found something. Here it is. See the smoke? Coming out from here somewhere. We found it. We found it. See, so far so good. Where's it coming out at? This? Looks like it's coming out of this thing. That's what it looks like. Now, if you look at where that's, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but there's the air, it sucks air through there, and maybe that's it. Maybe that's, it doesn't make sense to me that that would cause the light to come on. But that might be it. So, that being said, here's my thinking. This is the air intake right here. You take this off. That's the air filter. So the air goes through there. Into the engine. There. So, I don't know, maybe that's it. So, we're probably just going to fix it with tape. Looks like it's coming out of the seams. Nope. Not so much for the light. Let me get another battery. I don't know if you guys can see okay. And I'll tape that up. But I'm going to gather all that stuff up. So let me gather that stuff up, another battery, and plus I got to read a text. And I'll be back. Thanks for watching this long.